While we were at the aquarium and I was holding Jack, the little baby, I was starting to realize, and I was people watching too, I was starting to realize that everyone there started off like Jack, a little baby, just a little tiny human with no ideas or beliefs of anything in the world. And that the entire world, not the entire world, but infinite things came together to create this baby. Then infinite things came together to create the causes and conditions for this baby to become an adult with all their conditionings and beliefs and life stuff that they have going on. So this baby is pure, and then it becomes, I wouldn't say corrupt, but like just conditioned as an adult. So yeah, that's something I was thinking of. That's a thought that still might need to be flushed out over time. Yeah, man. Infinite causes and conditions came to make this baby. It's an infinite number of things. An infinite number of things came to, well, the infinite number of things come to every moment to create every moment. Infinite number of things. Yeah, just infinity constantly happening and happening and happening and happening. Some of those things we latch onto, then create the identity of ourselves. As like infinity keeps going on and going on and going on, we grab to things, and yeah, that can cause some issues because of these like held on to beliefs and ideas. Later that day, we went on a drive around Vancouver, and one of the spots we drove around and I wanted to walk around in was East Hastings, which I'm told was like that's where the government pushed all the homeless people. So we parked in East Hastings and we just walked around the block, and everyone there was also just wants a baby. But what happened? From like all the wealthy people we saw near like the Pan Pacific Hotel or whatever, Brentwood Shopping Center in Vancouver, all the fancy stuff, everyone enjoying their big meals, all their shopping, all the Gucci and the Sporting Life and the Patagonia or whatever brands, all the fancy stuff. I saw a Lamborghini drive through East Hastings. That was a contrast. That was a that was a flex. But yeah, what happened to those people? What caused them to be hunched over, just like gone, living out of a tent, selling whatever goods they can find to sell, to get by, to buy whatever drug they're into, to keep existing. What could cause a person to get to that point? Trauma, lack of love, could be an infinite number of reasons, or just got into the wrong stuff. But yeah, just an infinite number of things coming together once again. Is it perfect? Is all that still like the way it should have gone? Is their situation perfect? Is the rich person's situation perfect? I don't know. Maybe perfect is just an idea. Is everything as it should be? perfect and as it should be. Yes and no. I don't know. Yes, because in like a grand metaphysical sense, everything is, it really is perfect. Everything is just like working out in your favor to lack of a better word, like burn off your karma, work out your human shit in this life, whatever you're stuck on in this life, to wake up to your reality of being, not even as a person, but as like, yeah, just being. Wake up to the reality of your own being. No, not perfect, and not, yeah, no, not perfect, because there's just so much shit in this life. No one gets out of this life unscathed. No one gets out of this life untraumatized or undamaged. It's pretty hard to get out of life without facing some shit. You gotta face your own inner demons, the outer demons, and along with like just the catastrophes that life throws at you. But mixing those two together, yeah, so I guess it is perfect. Yeah. At least that's where I'm at right now. Today we're gonna go camping for 3 days. So yeah. I'm excited.